also got a corporate job. Check the briefing.
Attention, Gun 13 Raven. This military operation is approved by Balaam HQ. Liberation Front took action regarding the Arquebus-controlled wall. Ultimately, both parties were suppressed by the Planetary Closure Administration. Their loss is our gain. There won't be a better opportunity for Balaam to steal the show. We want you to head to the combat zone and eliminate the enforcement squads deployed by the PCA. Be aware that their forces include a new type of craft, the HC. That's why we've chosen you. Balaam's counting on you, Gun 13. Happy hunting.
Seems Balaam can't let go of their failure to climb the wall. That's fine. We'll make it work for us.
Main system activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Eliminate all PCA forces occupying the wall.
Code 1-5, Solo AC. An independent merc, moving to terminate.
SG, and are heavily armed. Be careful right now.
You've got the numbers, 621. Enemy reckless to rush in.
Code 31A, sustaining damage.
Requesting backup. Code 7-8.
They're piggybacking on SG's belly.
Code 5, target for termination sighted. Engaging.
They're equipped for heavy fire.
This area's all clear. Keep moving, 621. We're getting readings from inside the wall.
We're entering the structure.
Code 1-5, target has reached the facility.
Where's our patrol?
All units, external comms have been compromised. Respond with available forces. We need time to activate the HC.
Code 5, Solo AC.
Code 2-3, attending C.
Come to the warrant officer's HC.
That HC must be our independent merc. Moving to terminate.
Planetary Closure Administration HC enforcement craft.
That's the new HC. Stay sharp, 621.
No repair kits remaining.
That comms interference must have been your work too, interloper. Corpse and mercs, you're all the same. Violate the law and you'll pay the price.
AP at 50%. AP at 30%.
Reach the system.
Enemy system silent. HC enforcement craft destroyed.
Nothing left in the vicinity. Looks like you cleaned up. We're done here. Head back to base, 621.